root mean square value or RMS value. The RMS value of an alternating current is given by that steady current which, when flowing through a given circuit for a given time, produces the same heat as produced by alternating current when flowing through the same circuit for the same time. It is also known as effective value of the alternating current. Now we obtain the equation of RMS value in terms of its maximum value. Equation of instantaneous value of alternating current is given by I is equal to Im sin omega t, or it is equal to Im sin theta. Therefore, I square is equal to Im square sin square theta. Here the small I is the instantaneous value of the current and Im is the maximum value of the current. Now, mean of the square of instantaneous value of the alternating current is given by integration 0 to 2 pi I square divided by interval 2 pi into d theta. It is equal to mean of I square. So this one is equal to mean square value of the alternating current, but we have to find out the root mean square value of the alternating current. So square root of this will give the root mean square value, that means RMS value of the alternating current. So RMS value of the alternating current I RMS is equal to square root of integration 0 to 2 pi I square divided by 2 pi into d theta. Now we put the value of I square in this equation. We get I RMS is equal to square root integration 0 to 2 pi Im square sin square theta divided by 2 pi into d theta. Therefore, I RMS is equal to, now here Im square divided by 2 pi is constant, so we take out from the integration. So here it is equal to Im square divided by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. Now sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we put 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 instead of sin square theta. Therefore, I RMS is equal to square root Im square divided by, now here we take this 2 outside from the integration. So here it is equal to 4 pi, and integration of 1 is equal to theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta divided by 2. So theta minus sin 2 theta divided by 2 interval 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, I RMS is equal to square root Im square divided by 4 pi. Now by simplifying this term we get it is equal to 2 pi. So 2 pi cancel out. So I RMS is equal to square root Im square divided by 2. Therefore, I RMS is equal to Im divided by root 2, or I RMS is equal to 0.707 times Im. So RMS value of alternating current is given by maximum value of alternating current divided by root 2, or 0.707 times maximum current. Similarly, RMS value of alternating voltage V RMS is equal to V maximum divided by root 2, or 0.707 times V maximum. The RMS value of an alternating current is of considerable importance in practice because the ammeter and voltmeter record the RMS value of alternating current and voltage respectively. in electrical engineering work, unless indicated otherwise, the value of given current and voltage are always RMS value. That means if simply V and I is given, then it means that V is the RMS value of alternating voltage and I is the RMS value of the alternating current.